Here I have General Mobile GM8 Go, and let me show you how to check IMEI number and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the phone's dialer and let me check the IMEI number by using the secret codes. So let's activate the dial pad and let's use this code *##06#, and as you can see, IMEI number just pops up. Tap OK to close this window. Let's go back. Now it's time to check this info by using the system settings. So let's open the list of all apps, choose settings, scroll down and choose system. Here from the following view, let's choose the about phone, choose status, and as you can see here we've got the serial number of your device, and you can also here tap IMEI information and check the IMEI info of this device. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.